Noile Virtual Academy, welcome back. Problem number 14, proficiency exam. Which graph best represents the following equation? Y equals negative, in parentheses, x minus 3 everything squared, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 options, F, G, H, J. What can we do? Well, first of all, if you guys remember, you should look for, the sign that's in front of your x squared, if you want to call it that way, and for that purpose, you can start with actually analyzing the graph of y equals negative x minus 3 everything squared, because I have a negative sign in front of this. Okay, this tells me that the graph of an equation of this form will be opening downward, right? Or you may say will not hold water. Imagine if you pour water inside this graph, that graph is like a, parabolic shaped, ball. Your graph should be not holding water, should open downward. So F is not good, H is not good, okay? Now, because I have x minus 3, that tells me that my vertex will be located on the x-axis where x minus 3 equals 0, where x is actually equal to 3, right? So if I'm looking for the graph only of y equals negative x minus 3 squared, that will be at about x equal 3, right? And for the two options that I have left, I'm looking at x equals 3. That should be right there. That should be where my vertex is, right? But your equation is not y equals negative x minus 3, but y equals negative x minus 3 squared minus 1. So basically your graph will shift down by 1 unit, right? So every point on your graph or on the graph of x minus 3 squared, negative x minus 3 squared, will go down by 1, and the right answer to this problem seems to be J, because here, as you can see, you have the graph of x minus 3 okay. Well, it's not that way, it's actually, I made it wrong, right? Imagine that every point is actually shifted up. Get to your x minus 3 graph, right? Should go that way. But your graph is minus 1, and means every point from the graph of x minus 3 squared, negative x minus 3 squared, should go down by 1 point. And that's why J is the right answer, because the black graph in here, the graph that's represented here, would be the graph of y equals negative x minus 3 everything squared minus 1. I hope it makes sense.